when you just realize that you've been filming for 4 minutes with the mic off. Now I'm ready. Hi guys! So it's time for my October favorites. I can't believe we just have 2 months left in 2018. The year is coming to an end. You guys know the drill. These are things I love and I've loved in the last month. So let's begin. Number one is something that's on my face. It's actually the only thing that's on my face. It is my lipstick. So this is from Nude Sticks. I actually did a huge giveaway from Nude Sticks on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, follow me at Cherry Shroff. I do a lot of giveaways there as well. So yeah, this is my current favorite lipstick. Now normally I'm someone who picks like pinky and like orangey shades, but I really like this one. All the lipsticks come with this cool packaging. You can see like a cute little box. It has a mirror as well, so you can use it to apply. There's the lipstick and then there's the sharpener, which is really cute as well, which is perfect because it's kind of like a crayon, so you do need a sharpener. It's really easy to apply. Like I do this in the cab or wherever I am, which is why I really like it. And also I feel like the shade works really well with my hair. We will come to that in a bit. I don't want to talk about that yet, but yeah, so I normally do a lot of brighter lipsticks, but I just feel like this is working really well right now. Like I really feel the hair with this shade, so this is my favorite lipstick. Okay, now let's talk movies. My favorite movies, there were two of them. Number one was Venom, which was a different kind of superhero movie. If you watched it, if you haven't watched it, watch it. It was really good. And number two is Crazy Rich Asians. Oh my god, I can't tell you how much I love the movie, and I watched it in the theater. A lot of you asked me on Instagram, where did you see it? I watched it in the theater, and it was interesting because when I watched it together, and he completely was like, what is this movie? And I was like, oh my god, I love this movie. So yeah, I was like, he kept looking at me going, what is this movie? What is this movie? And I was like, and I really liked it. Kind of feels like a 90s rom-com, like not something that you would probably go to a cinema to watch today, but yeah, I really liked it, and I think it was a really fun movie. So yeah, that was definitely good. Okay, in the gadget space, we have two things. Obviously, we have my new Apple Watch, which is a Series 4 watch, and my new iPhone. This is the iPhone XS Max, and oh my god, I cannot tell you how amazing the pictures on this are. Okay, so basically we took a whole bunch of pictures recently in Kochi, and you can see how amazing they look and they pop. You don't even need to put filters or like edit them. They're so good, and it's like a major upgrade from my 8 Plus in terms of like picture quality. And there was actually a time lapse that I shot on this. Okay, I will show you that right now, which is in our vlog, which was so amazing, and I couldn't believe that that was done handheld on this. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. And this, so yeah, again, love the watch. It's a much bigger dial than the earlier one. I think I've also done an unboxing in my last Delhi vlog. If you missed it, I will link it here. But yeah, these are two things that I cannot live without. You guys know I'm an Apple junkie, and I love to upgrade my phones and watches, and I really depend on the iOS ecosystem for all my work. Like I have a Mac, I have an iPhone, I have an Apple Watch, and I love how everything just syncs together. Especially for someone who works alone, it really helps. So I mean, I would definitely advise anyone to get one of these if you have an iPhone, or get both of these because they just work so well together. And yeah, so these two are definitely my favorite gizmos of the month. Okay, now let's talk about my favorite moment. It has to be coloring my hair red. Okay, so I have wanted red hair since I was a teenager, when I saw Geri Halliwell, aka Ginger Spice, with red hair, and I was like, I want red hair. And this was when I was like 10 or 11 or 12 or around that age, and ever since I kept thinking I will do it at some point. But with my long hair, it just felt like an impossible dream, because I was like, no way am I coloring all that hair. But as I've gone shorter, and I recently colored my hair in the whole brown family, I was like, now I want to do something more daring. Let's just go red. And I love it. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm just like, that's me. And yeah, I love how it looks, and it's not very high maintenance so far. So yeah, very excited. For anyone who wants the color details, I will put them in the description, because I don't know them by heart. My hairstylist did this. But yeah, I really like the red hair. So if you like it, leave some love in the comments. If you hate it, okay, moving on to something else that is hair related. It is my Kerastase shampoo. Now, ever since I colored my hair about 4 or 5 months ago, when I went with the Global Brown family and now red. This is what I've been using, which is the Kérastase Color Protect shampoo. I finished this one bottle and I'm moving to the next one. Now this is expensive, guys. This is 2,100 rupees. It is not very economical if you have long hair, I must tell you that. And when I had long hair, I would be like, no, this is too expensive, because I wash my hair every day. So when you have long hair, you use a lot of shampoo. With this hair, however, this lasts me like 2 months, which is great, because then I'm like, okay, now I can afford the better shampoo because I don't need that much of it. So yeah, I've been using this and I really feel like it works well with the color. Like right now, there's nothing else in my hair. I just use the shampoo and then like any conditioner. Occasionally, I don't use conditioner every time, sometimes, and then yeah, my hair stays with just this. So I think it's really good if you color your hair. I would definitely recommend this. Then we have my fashion favorites. Ta-da! My gold and black Onitsuka Tigers. Now, you guys know Vaibhav is obsessed with Onitsuka Tiger. I have also started to really like them now, and I have 3 pairs now. Yeah, so this is my newest edition. I really like these, and what I love is they work really well with the new like sneaker with your dress or skirts trend, like because they're gold and they're still very pretty. And not very sporty, but you can wear them like with dresses, or you can wear them with anything. I think you saw in one of my recent vlogs where I was wearing it with a dress. So yeah, they're really easy to pair. They look really great, and you guys know I love gold, so yeah, love them. Then we have my nails. So again, a lot of you have been asking me about my nails on Instagram. So I did these at a salon. I will link this here again. It was in a vlog. You guys are not watching the vlogs. You must watch the vlog. Yeah, I actually did these in the salon. These are the damage-free gel nail polish nails, which I really like. They told me it would last between 2 to 3 weeks. We have crossed the 2-week mark already, and my nails are in amazing condition. I've been traveling, I've been washing my hands a lot, all of that. It's just chipped in one little place, like one teeny tiny chip, which is really nothing, I think, comparatively. Like normally my nail polish doesn't even last a week. This will last through my Sri Lanka trip, which would be 3 full weeks, which I think is incredible for nail polish for someone like me. So yeah, if you haven't watched the vlog, watch it for more details on the gel nail polish. I don't really have the shade details and things like that because I did it at the salon, but yeah, it's called Damage Free Gel Nail Polish. I do not have a favorite song this month, guys, which is really disappointing. So please comment below with your favorite songs, because I need to get some new music now. Time for my food favorite, which is not exactly food, but it's edible. These are Tic Tacs. I loved Tic Tacs growing up, and this is a really interesting flavor. It's cherry turning to cola, which I never thought even existed. I actually saw this at a chemist while I was buying some medicine, and I was like, ooh, must get that. It's really yum. I've been carrying this around in my bag. It kind of feels like the 90s. I don't know if you guys had cherry cola, but I did. I know I sound ridiculous with this thing in my mouth, but I don't know what to do right now because it's in my mouth and I'm telling you about it. It's so good, especially when you bite into it. It's like this pop of cola, which is really yum. So you guys know I've been traveling a lot, and when I travel a lot, I do get a lot of headaches and migraines. I still do not know why I get migraines. It is a big mystery, a big question mark. So if anyone has figured out how they get migraines, please tell me, because I do not know how. But when I travel, I definitely do get them, especially if I have early morning flights and things like that. I used to pop a lot of Disprins earlier, which I've tried to reduce because I feel like I want to do something more herbal. So I found this at a chemist and I've been using this. It's really potent. It's one of those oils which, you know, you're just supposed to put on your temples like that, like a roll-on, or on your nose. It is really potent and it burns, but it really does the job. It doesn't smell like good or anything. It smells nasty, but it really does the job. So this is Green-Cure. Oh, it's Green-Cure. It's Green-Cure with a K. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. So it's Green-Cure with a K. In Hindi, it's spelled very weirdly, which looks like Green-Cure. But yeah, so it's Green-Cure with a K. It's an Ayurvedic pain reliever oil, and I really feel like this has helped me a lot. So for anyone who has a lot of headaches or blocked nose problems, get this. Okay, favorite part. Time for my favorite shows. Okay, so I've been watching a lot in the beginning of October when I took my break. I have to tell you, my favorite new show is Sharp Objects on Hotstar. Oh my god, I've almost finished that. It's by the same director of Big Little Lies, I think. It is so good. Must watch. The other show I've been watching on Hotstar is This Is Us. Of course, they have another season on as well, which I think is on TV as well. That is something I really like as well. Then on Netflix, we have Travels with My Father season 2, which is Jack Whitehall again with his father. He's the comedian. I told you guys to watch season 1. Season 2 is as good, or if not better. And yeah, it's amazing to see them together. And I love the show. So that's definitely something you must watch. Number 2, we have a new season of Dynasty. So again, Dynasty is kind of like Gossip Girl. If you like Gossip Girl, you will like Dynasty. Season 1 was great. Season 2, it's just like they put up one episode, so it's really irritating because you gotta wait for the next episode. But yeah, so far it's pretty good. And the last show I watched on Netflix is Wanderlust. It's about a couple that's been married for a really long time, and they start having relationships with other people, like open relationships, so kind of like an open marriage and their relationship. And it's quite interesting, so I really like that one as well. So that is something you should check out too. And yeah, I think that's about it. I know that's a lot of shows, but yeah, that's it. So guys, those are my October favorites. Don't forget to comment with your favorites of the month and also your favorite song for sure, because I need some new music. And check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!